Hey gang, Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting here. In today's quick video, we're going to talk about emailing acknowledgements, quotes, things like that from within the order entry screen. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that the way it works is your user in P21 has to be set up with an email address. Also, you can set up an email address on the physical address and phone tab of a customer. This is useful where you may have a contact that you're putting on the order that for some reason doesn't have an email in the system. It will default to this, what I'm calling a backup email in our example here. And if we go to this customer and customer master inquiry, you can see we have two contacts here. We have Bob and Mike Jones. Bob has an email address, Mike doesn't. I just want to show you what the process looks like when you try to do either or. So I have two different orders open here. I have one that has Bob Jones as the actual contact. And so we're going to come in here, we're going to go to the front counter tab. Now your system may have renamed it to print options or something like that. And there's a lot of different options, and we'll go over some of these in different videos. But right now we're going to look at the acknowledgement here, and we want to email that. There are obviously other things you can email from within here, and they all kind of work the same way. You can also fax it if you're from 1985. But we're just going to check the email box, and we're going to hit save. Now, if I didn't have an email on my user account, I would get a warning that said, hey, you don't have an email set up. There needs to be one set up. So you're going to get the email acknowledgement wizard that pops up, and you can see it has my email address, which is pulling from my user maintenance, and then it has Bob Jones's email, which is pulling it from his contact. You can also manually put in some other email addresses. If you want a copy to go to yourself or the primary sales rep, you can handle that. You can put a memo in here, add a subject line. And you can also attach files. So if you're sending a quote or something like that to a customer and you have some kind of spec document or other document you want to send with it, you can always attach it and pull it off your PC. Once you do that, you just click OK and it goes out there and emails it. Again, I want to show you, I got another one here with Mike Jones, who, if you remember, does not have an email address. So if I come to the front counter tab, I check the email button and hit save. You'll notice that it still has my email address, but it has the backup email that I had set up on my customer file in the physical address phone number tab. Again, the emails work the same way for the other things, but probably the one you're primarily going to be emailing out to people would be acknowledgements or quotes, if it was a quote. Also, the same is true for purchase orders. If you are trying to if your supplier requires a digital copy, that way you don't have to save a copy to your desktop and then go email it separately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions about this or any other topics, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned. Atlas is always here to help you with P21.